Are you wondering how I made these sunflower butter cookies? Worry no more. I'm going to show you the step by step of this recipe. This is very easy and I believe you can do it. All you need to do is few ingredients you can get on your own and you are good to go. Here I'm using my homemade butter and my powdered sugar and flour. I'm using all-purpose flour, my baking powder, salt to taste, and food coloring. I'm using yellow food coloring and one egg yolk. I'll be mixing everything to well combine. So this is very easy recipe and I know you can do it on your own. All you need to do is to get the ingredient and take the right steps. Here I'll be adding my flour because when you notice it's still a little bit watering, you need to add more flour to form a firm dough. So just add bit by bit so that you can control. So here I decided to use my hand to form the dough. I think it works more better for me. So feel free to use the spatula or the mixing machine. It's still the same thing. I prefer to use my hand to knead it the more. So if today is your first time you're seeing my video, you are highly welcome. You can see my dough is ready. Here I'll be mixing the chocolate part, which is the brown part of the sunflower. So I have added my cocoa powder and I'll be mixing everything to well combine. So remember, if today is your first time you're seeing my video, you are highly welcome. I do appreciate you coming by. And for my returning followers and subscribers, thank you so much for always tagging along. Here I'm using my parchment paper. I'll be using it to strengthen my dough. So I'll be flattering my dough with this parchment paper. So this is very easy, just as I told you. All you need to do is just to follow the step and do it. You can even do better than what I have shown you. Of course you can. So all I need to do is to flatten it into thin layer. Then I'll scrape the sides and then use my cookie cutter to cut out the round shape. So you can see this is very easy. You can make it on your own. So if today is your first time you're seeing my video, please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Glatory and my Facebook page at Glatory Flavors and also my Instagram. It has a long way encouraging me. Remember to like my video, comment and share. Here I'll be stretching my brown dough. It's up to you. You can call it chocolate dough. It's still the same. So I'll flatten it and then use my cookie cutter to cut out the round shape. This round shape, I'll be using it to fit into this hole on the yellow one. So remember to like my video, comment and share. Here I'm using this dumpling knife to make the flower shape. So feel free to use whatever that works for you to show the sunflower shape. So So I use a toothpick to poke in the middle. So as you can see, this is very easy. You can make it on your own. See, my sunflower is ready to be baked. I'll be baking it under 150 degrees. Here is ready. I bake it for 15 minutes. You can see it's ready. So here, if you have watched me this far, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe. Follow my page at Glatory Flavor. And always love, like my video and share and comment. Thank you for watching and hope to see you again on my next video. Follow me for more videos. Thank you. Bye.